Good morning, you guys. Today is Friday, December 6th. I am off today, thank God, so I'm gonna have a really productive day from the house, and I just thought I'd FaceTime my besties while I do it because honestly, filming helps me do so many things. I already wrote down my little to-do list for the day. I don't really have anything too crazy that I need to do for real, but we are gonna start off by stripping down my bed because I want to wash my comforter and my bed sheet while I go to the gym. Y'all, I'm about to go to the gym for my first time back in like forever. I've been wanting to go for real, but I've just had so much anxiety about going back to the gym, like looking like a dumbass, you know, all the things that people think before getting back into the gym, like all those worries and those fears. I've been having them big time. I've just been kind of avoiding going to the gym, but I'm in a new apartment. I have a new apartment gym, and I actually really do like my apartment gym, but I haven't actually used it. So we're gonna go do a quick little workout this morning, but first I want to tear down my bed so I can wash my bedding. Actually from Halara, if you guys were wondering. And then I'm just wearing these little Adidas shoes that I got. They're so comfortable and they're so cute. Now, besties, I just need to get me a little water and then we are good to go. I already have my AirPods charging. Also, what do we think about the new camera? I did a little vlog of me getting it and stuff over on my, should I do the blue one? No, we're gonna do the gray one. I did a little vlog over on my TikTok, so if you guys don't follow me over there, you definitely should.
Before we get into the rest of the video, I do have a real quick word from today's sponsor, Coupert. If you want to save money while shopping online without having to lift a finger, meet Coupert, the automatic free browser extension that does all of the work for you. So here's how it works. So when you go to checkout, Coupert will scan and test available coupons to find the best deal instantly. You literally don't have to do anything. Also, when shopping and using Coupert, you will get cashback rewards. This means you can earn cash back on eligible purchases while you're already shopping. Now tell me who doesn't love getting paid to shop. Coupert also has this really cool price comparison tool, which will ensure that you're getting the best price available across any different retailers. So no more searching for codes, no more manual work. It's completely effortless savings. All you have to do is just install Coupert for free, shop as usual, and let the savings roll in. It's literally that simple. You can enjoy hassle-free savings with Coupert, your ultimate tool for smarter, more efficient shopping. Now let's get back into the rest of the video.
12:02. I went to the gym around like 11ish. So I really did not stay for that long, but I did want to get in somewhat of a little workout. Plus I'm going to be like on dough all day pretty much. So I'm still going to be active, but I wanted to kind of just like break the ice of being scared to go to the gym. So it was pretty good because there's only one other person in the gym today, which made me feel a lot more comfortable. But I'm just about to get in the shower because I want to get unstinky. We are about to make a little late brunch lunch type situation. I think I'm gonna just make like a bagel with egg, bacon, cheese. I really need to start buying like Christmas gifts and stuff. So I'm gonna try to tackle that at least for my nephews today because I wanna have their stuff in. Hopefully I can find some good deals and stuff because I really need to stop spending money. Like this living on your own shit is not cheap. It is rich and expensive, okay? I do have to be mindful with what I buy for Christmas and stuff. The budget is gonna be a little bit tight. My beautiful little breakfast bagel. It's still busting without the bacon. We're also making tacos tonight, so I'm super excited for a little taco night. Quick little OOTD before I head out to run my errands. My hoodie is from Corrupted Closet, and then I'm wearing these little like yellow windbreaker pants from Shein, and then I just have my Nike little dad shoes on. So this is my cutesy little outfit. My necklace is from Amazon, and then my earrings are also from Amazon. And then I just put my hair up in a little slick back because I just did not want to deal with it today, and we're really just going to run a couple errands. So I need to first make a pit stop to clean out my car, then I need to go deposit some money, and then I also need to go pick up some cat litter because Mama's is completely out of cat litter and I really need to refresh her litter box, so we need to go do that as well. I just pulled up to the car wash, and you guys, on my way here I heard sirens, but I just did not know where they were coming from. Tell me why. They were literally right behind me, and I was just sitting at the red light, like just sitting, being a dumb ass, and the freaking police cars were literally honking at me to move, y'all. I felt so bad. But let's clean out this car. First I need to go through and get rid of all of the trash that's in my car. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. We are officially done vacuuming my car. I don't really have anything to actually clean the inside of my car, so I just vacuumed it, but it was getting a little dusty, so that needed to be done. I'm gonna put you guys on to the best car fragrances, car boost, smell, whatever you want to call it. These little scent bomb things right here, OMG, you guys, they are the best ever. I really like this one. This one's the clean cotton. It smells just very fresh and like new car kind of smell, but a little bit better. It's currently 3:18, so we're doing honestly pretty good on timing. I feel like I could have this all done by no later than 4:30. I just need to make a deposit. Photographer? Oh no, I do YouTube, so I'm vlogging today. Thank you so much. You have a blessed day. Leorilla, we love when we meet cool people. Positivity really goes such a long way. I just had another girl ask me, first of all, she complimented my outfit. She was like, I love your outfit so much. Gassed me up real quick. And then on top of that, she was like, are you a photographer or something? I was like, no, I do YouTube. And she was like, oh, I'm gonna go watch your YouTube channel. So, I just love people today, y'all. They've been so sweet to me. Okay, so I'm pretty sure one of these little things is on discount. This one right here with my member price. So I'm gonna get this one so I can save some money. Y'all, this shit is so fucking heavy. Those two girls were honestly so sweet. Definitely go check out her lash page if you guys are in Dallas and y'all want your lashes done. But yeah, they were so sweet. It like low-key makes me nervous when like women compliment me. I don't know how to explain it, but it just makes me so nervous because there can be girls out there that are like really ugly, and there's also girls out there who are so loving and just sweet and want to see all the ladies win. And so that's kind of the energy I got. They were just so sweet. You don't even understand how much like kindness can make someone's day. Like I will seriously be sitting here thinking about those girls for the rest of my night. Like honestly, the rest of my night, just because they were so sweet. It goes a long way. Please, let's spread a little bit more kindness. I just made it back home. It is currently 4:44 on the dot. I was starting to fold some laundry because I washed my clothes too, and then I started folding them, and girl, they are still wet. So I let them go back in the dryer so they can dry off and actually get dry, and then I'm gonna fold those. But I'm really just gonna work on some like footage and stuff that I just have stored in my phone. I have a lot of like reels and TikToks and things that I need to edit. I'm about to just sit on the couch and do that while my camera charges and my laundry kind of gets dry. And then I was actually talking to Julia about possibly spending the night tonight, so we might have a little girls night. We'll see. She's gonna keep me posted whether she can come or not, but I'm making tacos tonight either way. So if she comes, then we'll make tacos together, have like a little girly night. I also did ask my parents if they could come over and mount my TV, so that could also be another thing that happens this evening. But we're kind of just gonna see where everything goes. I really just need to chill for a little bit and let my camera charge. So in the meantime, while my camera's charging, I'm just gonna be editing some TikTok Reels content. So if you guys don't follow me, I'll put it right here on the screen. I'm honestly the most active on TikTok, so if you don't follow me on there, you truly are missing out, but you're also missing out if you don't follow me on IG. So make sure you're following me on both platforms. My parents just got here. It's 7:09, and then Julia just also called me and let me know that she's about to like wrap up and be on her way too. So we are about to actually start mounting my TVs right now. I have to mount that one, and then also have to mount this one in my room that I just kind of have like leaning up against the wall for now. And then the one in here, I literally have this leaning on a freaking blanket so it like doesn't go up against the wall, but this one's gonna be kind of like catty cornered. My parents are currently mounting my TV. I'm about to go pick up Julia. She's pulling into the garage right now. Hello.
A few moments later.
I'm using these for my wall.
Okay, so while they're in there doing that, we're in here doing this.
Just a girl.
We're just girls.
I'm gonna get it gooey.
Honestly, the Vampire Diaries is not as good when it gets into the later seasons.
Wait, what are we choosing to? We're choosing to being the baddest bitches on the block, to thriving, growing, living our best lives, hopefully an engagement for you soon, and self-love for me. I want to do this one too. So I have a good one. Oh my god. I'm excited to show you this one.
Jamie said 4 ounce?
What?
Jamie!
She's so funny though.
I think let's just start with one.
Kind of like we do our work.
Yeah.
Oh. It's a small cup. It's a small cup, y'all. This is small. Like he's not.
Alrighty loves, that includes today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I actually had so much fun filming this little day in my life for y'all, so hopefully y'all enjoyed it just as much as I did. Definitely make sure to check out Coupert if you want to save some money, earn some cash back on just your normal online shopping that you're already gonna do. Might as well save some money and get some cash back. Truly does not hurt, and it's free. If you guys watched all the way up until this point, go ahead and comment a taco emoji in the comments just so I know that you watched all the way until the end. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. Give this video video a like so that way it is recommended to more people. Also, don't forget to turn on your post notifications so that way you can be notified every time I do post a new video. Apparently, they're going to be banning TikTok, so make sure you're following my YouTube channel so you stay in touch. Don't miss out on any content that I'm posting, but I love you guys, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!